Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect secure storage using Keychain and Android Keystore. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect secure storage using Keychain and Android Keystore, begin by ensuring your development environment is set up correctly. Open your Xcode project for iOS and configure the Keychain capabilities under the target settings. Enable the Keychain sharing capability if you plan on sharing keychain items between apps. In your code, import the security framework to access the keychain functions. Create a function to store sensitive data in the keychain using the SECITEM_add method. Use a unique identifier for each item you store to avoid conflicts. Set the appropriate attributes for the item you wish to store, such as the class, data type, and accessibility level. Handle any errors that may arise during the storage process by checking the return status of the SECITEM_add function. Now, switch to your Android project to work with the Android Keystore system. Ensure that your project has the necessary permissions declared in the Android manifest. Use the Keystore class to create an instance of the Keystore. Generate a key pair for encryption using the keyPair generator class and store it in the Keystore. Define the key specifications, such as key type and validity period. After generating the keys, ensure to handle exceptions properly to maintain security. To store sensitive information securely, use the cipher class to encrypt the data before saving it. You can store the encrypted data in shared preferences, a local database, or another secure storage solution. To retrieve your data, first decrypt it using the keys stored in the Keystore. Implement checks to ensure that the data retrieved matches the expected format and is correctly decrypted. With both Keychain and Android Keystore integrated, share encrypted data between your iOS and Android apps securely. Test the functionality thoroughly to ensure that all data is securely stored and retrieved without leaks. Monitor for any platform-specific issues that may arise during integration to maintain a seamless user experience. By following these steps, you can successfully connect secure storage using Keychain and Android Keystore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.